I'm Dr. Siegel. I'm here with Mel. Mel had the procedure 9 months ago, and we're doing a 9-month follow-up. Mel, how are you doing?
Good, yo.
Doing great. So how was your experience? How has the 9 months been?
Great. It's been great.
So you're going to see before and after pictures of Mel here, and Mel likes to wear her hair a little bit on the shorter side. She feels more comfortable, and compliments from your friends, people who knew that you did the procedure?
They say it's growing in nice.
And what about the scar? Did anybody ever notice the scar? Or with you wearing the hair short, do they ever even see the scar?
No.
And feeling, the feeling on your scalp feels the same as before the procedure?
Yes.
So, your experience, how has your experience been?
I would say I love it. It's been a great experience, and I always wanted to have short hair sometime, and I could never have it short because the hair was missing, especially on this side, and now I can, so I wear it. This is the first time I'm trying to grow it now, but I normally wear it short since I got the procedure done. And
what would you say to people who are thinking about getting the procedure done?
I would say they should get it done because it elevates your self-esteem to be able to wear your hair however you like instead of hiding behind your hair.
And we as you'll see with the pictures, we definitely brought the hairline down. We filled in both sides where she had the traction alopecia, and this is a typical presentation of somebody with traction alopecia. Somebody who had years of tight braids, tight pulling, and one hair transplant, one procedure can go ahead and make a world of difference. So I'm so happy with the results.
Me too.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.